Hello YouTube, and today I'm going to show you how to do a quick fix for the frayed portions of a charging cable. This usually happens for MacBook chargers, like a MacBook Air. There's a MacBook Air charger. It happened here and it happened here. And it does look pretty bad. Looks, I don't know, it just looks ugly. So this happens because you overuse your cable, and it's just a common thing. So a very easy fix for it is to get some electrical tape and wrap it around, or some, just some Scotch tape and wrap that around. But it's still, I feel I need a better solution, because electrical tape is nice, but I guess it makes it look too, I guess, what do you call it? Too improvised. Anyways, there's a really cool material. It's called Sugru, and it's a moldable, basically putty, right? And the benefit of it is it has a quick setting time. So basically you choose what you want. You use it for so many different things. It's a great DIY tool. This is a package that costs $17 for 3 sets. It's basically silicone. I think that's the original material, but it's modified so that it sets really quickly, and the consistency is great. So it comes with these beautiful packages. This one's all white, and I thought it would match well with my charger. Now, just to let you know, a lot of these have an expiration date, so they have like a shelf period, and basically once you open a packet, you have to use the whole thing. So for this packet, I'm going to split it in 2. I'm going to use one for this side and one for this side. That way you have a little nice looking thing. So it's very easy. You're just going to tear it open. If you can't, you can use scissors. So they really updated their packaging. I've been a fan of this thing since my friend told me about it. Thanks, Jim. And I love it. I really do, actually. But the only problem is that it's quite pricey. So as I said, for 3 packets, it's $17. That's a lot. Well, I got it from Amazon, so maybe you might find it cheaper. Anyways, this is what it looks like. It starts off like this. Once you open it, you're going to smell like the solvent. So I'm going to just take half of it. And the way you do it is simple. It's going to take whatever you want. Just kind of mold it, right? La la la. Hey, feels very nice. So it's a cool material. You could use it for so many different things. Check out their website, sugru.com, and check out what they do. Anyways, so for me, see these little ends here. If I want to wrap it around it, I want to remove these ends, maybe trim it with a little bit of scissors, I guess. There we go. Actually looks better without the thing. How do you like your hair? Is it frayed? Anyways, so there's so many different ways you could do it, since it's like Play-Doh-esque. The benefit of Sugru, as opposed to other materials, which there's so many plentiful like materials like that, is that it is flexible, and it can adhere to so many different materials. And that's a testament to its use. So yeah, check it out. You could use it for so many DIY stuff. What I'm showing you here is I'm just using this as a base. I'm going to try and stretch as much as I can. Now, you could say this is a waste of Sugru, because, as I said, I already used half of it and I'm done. I could have taken half of this, but that's okay. At least now it's going to look, this has become a sculpting video. And you're going to let it set for, oh, see, what is that coming out? Yeah, that's the little frayed end I didn't cut. Huh. Look at that. Of course, you're going to have to wash your hands after this, because it smells. Like, not horribly, it just smells of chemicals. solvent or whatever. Anyway, so here it is. This is this side done. I'm going to leave this settle, I think, what is it, an hour or so? Can't remember what the instructions said. Yeah, there we go. Here's some cool benefits if you're curious what it is. It's waterproof, it's heat and cold resistant, it's kind of cool. And here's invented by Jane. She's amazing. Really, it's such a smart package. I think you let it set. Well, whatever. Let's continue. I'll figure that out later. I'll take some edges here. Try and keep the camera in focus. So this is the second half. I generally don't have anything else in the house to fix at this moment. It's 3 a.m. I think. I decided to do this video and everybody is asleep. My roommates. And yeah, so here we go. Same thing, just boom. And just kind of wrap it around. Now see how the color slowly matches. Not slowly, I mean quickly. So you're gonna get so many fingers. But the color matches, and that's important. It looks good. It looks like, hey, did you do this? Oh yeah, I did this on my own. It was cool. I checked out Bud Maloney. He has a really cool DIY channel. Really? Yeah, he's good looking too. How come I've never seen him? Well, you know he's good looking. That's hilarious. Check out my channel, Bud Maloney. Yeah, he's awesome. I love him. You do? Oh, wow. I'm very happy to hear that. Anyways, so this is it. Gonna be like this. Let it set for... I can't even remember. Let it set for how long. Sugru does not bond, blah, 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 to all plastics. Oily plastics. Yeah. Oh, the instructions should be on the packet, maybe. Yeah, that's where it should be. See accompanying packet for all the information. Well, I guess you just let it set for a bit. Just check out the website, guys. Anyway. All right, just for completion's sake, Sugru takes about 30 seconds to stick onto something, and this is taken from Instructables, and just leave it to cure. If it's a piece of 3mm thick, it will take 24 hours. Thicker takes longer, thinner takes less time. So yeah, even the website says 2mm deep, 24 hours. So let it stay for 24 hours, and then you'll have a new looking charger. You could really sculpt it better than I have, honestly. Alright guys, just for completion's sake, part 2. Here it is after it is cured for 24 hours. You could tell it's flexible. It looks good. And yeah, I'm happy with how it turned out. Perhaps I should have sculpted a little bit better, but yeah. So anyways, if you like this video, press the like button, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.